Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a super sweet version of the backpack project. We finished this one last Wednesday on Ustream. Super cute. Just wanted to show you the versatility behind this project. Initially, I showed you all the totally glammed up backpack for your little girl or the traditional school backpack. But this can also be a diaper bag backpack for a sweet little baby, super sweet baby shower gift. Love the way this one turned out. Let me show you what I did here. I took the belting a little further and added some really nice trim detail just to soften that up for the sweet little girl that's going to receive this. One of my husband's best friends, his wife, just had a baby girl, and this is going to sweet little Jersey Marie. That's her name. So I'm super happy that I was able to do this girl one. I also softened it up further with some mini micro pom-pom trim. Absolutely adore that. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Well, on this side. And of course, it has a magnetized closure. Really sweet for that. Nice interactive pocket here. And here's the inside. Paper bag album. We did a few little interactive tags, something that I love to do and share with you all. Just jazz up the plain old basic, well, I shouldn't say plain old because some of those tags are absolutely artistic. I should say the tags that are not interactive, where it doesn't have these fold outs and pull outs and things like that. But also I did some more, took the paper bag a little further and added some more interaction with a few of the tags that you can find in the paper collection, and just again softened it up with a lot of ribbons and trims in this case. I also added the charms to the outside where I showed you all in one of my previous videos. Love the way that turned out. And I did a fantastic sweet little tag, which I'm calling the receiving blanket tag, and this is what it looks like. Love it. I think it looks like one of those traditional receiving blankets. You know how we all wrapped up our little babies. And that was the inspiration for this tag. Simple fold, guys, kind of a play on the origami style. For those of you who bought the tutorial and may be interested in the baby one, I want to let you know that I have updated the tutorial. And those of you who purchased it should have received an email from me by now with the addendum. And for those of you who may be interested in it, I've already updated the file, so you will get the traditional backpack version and you will also get the measurements for the baby backpack. So it's all included in that one. I wanted to share it and not have it as created as a separate file because so sweet, guys. I think you all need to have it. So these receiving blanket tags go tucked right in here into the paper bag. And again, I show you how to do this during the class on Ustream, or I show you the folds, the measurement, and everything you need to do to get it perfectly sized for this album in the tutorial. So if you haven't picked it up, guys, I encourage you to do it because it's fabulous. A difference here on the album was this pull down tag over here. Love that. Lots of interaction in this one. Perfect size for 4x6 photos. This tag measures a little over 4x6, so perfect for that. I also wanted to soften up the paper bag a little bit more with this bow, and this is a flat bow, which I love because it doesn't add too much bulk. So for those of you who were interested in the embellishments for the baby backpack, I went ahead and put some of these together. These are on my blog for sale. I also included the magnet, guys. You are always crazy about the magnet, so I included the magnet for you all, and I included this super cute find. Look at it, how adorable. So I have both boy and girl versions for you all, so be sure to check out my blog and pick it up. It's paperphenomenon.blogspot.com. You're gonna love this one. Perfect gift. Absolutely adore it. I think it turned out really nice. And don't forget, look out for my email with the addendum for the baby backpack. And I think that's all I got for you all today. So I will see you all soon. Hopefully I'll stop by with a new project share, and you all have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you all soon. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Until next time.